Today is March 5, 2025. Let's look at the market. SPY, S&P 500, still on an uptrend, medium-term uptrend with a bullish candle on support. So maybe if this bounce up, we'll have some opportunity. When market is going down, we want to use the strategy of bottom master uptrend. We want to look for stocks that are in an uptrend but oversold. Okay, so we sort by value, and then we need a power of over 50 to give it a boost. Number one is AVGO, still in the medium term uptrend. This one mini bar is close above middle of the range. Take this one. Next, this one is once hood also has a bottom master, so this one is good. Next one, how about the next one? GEV, I don't like the candles. How about VST? Yep, I like this one, close at the near the high of the range. HIMS, this one is good also. Next will be this one, RDD, Reddit. Oh, this is the nicest one. This one looks nice. Still medium term uptrend. And then how about this one? Sophie. Still medium term uptrend. Looks nice. Next is Sophie. Sophie's nice. Any other else? How about Net? Still medium term. Has a good chance. Net has a good chance. Net. What's the high of the net? It's 143.96. So any other else? How about Rocket Lab? Still good. Still volatile because of big volume. How about Rocket Lab? Rocket Lab is Rocket Lab. How about this one? Oklo. Oklo is good. Can try Oklo also. Still a medium term uptrend. How about RGTI? Looks good also. Still a medium term uptrend. RGTI. Then no more. So that's my watch list for today. AVGO, Hood, HIMS, RDDT, Sophie, Oklo, Net, and RGTI.